श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतं वन्दे भगवन्तः पुनः पुनः। My name is Archana. I live in Fremont, California. Welcome to the 1233rd birth anniversary of Guru Adi Shankaracharya celebrations. Pranamams to the holy feet of Kanchi Kamakoti Guru Parampara. Pranamams to Brahmasri Samavedam Sharmuka Sharma Guru Garu for giving us blessings which motivated us to start Bay Area Dhruvapatham. I would also like to say thank you to Rama Garu for giving me this great opportunity to teach the kids slokas and to show them the greatness of Sanatana Dharma. These classes are on Saturdays from 3:45 to 4:20 p.m. They learn by first reciting the slokas in the class and then they practice in their homes with a script as well as an audio recording so that everyone is able to read and listen to the slokas. And because there are many people who speak different languages, the script is available in both English and Telugu. It is then followed by Sanskrit class, which goes until 5 p.m. Now, I request Brahmasri Chintapalli Venkatesh Sharma Garu to give his Ashirvachanam to us and the kids who will now recite the slokas they have learned with much discipline and dedication. And as they are still learning, please excuse any pronunciation mistakes that they might make. ధన్యవాదాలు. చింతపల్లి గారు మీరు ఆశీర్వచనం చెప్పచ్చు.
ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరిః ఓం. గణానాం త్వా గణపతిగం హవామహే కవిం కవీనాముపమశ్రవస్తమం ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् निषुसीद गणपते गणेषु त्वामाहुर्विप्रातमं कवीनान् नरते त्वक्रियते किञ्चनारे महामत्कं माघवं चित्रमर्त्या. ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामावित्र्यवतो आनो दिवो बृहतः पर्वतादा सरस्वती यजता गन्तु यज्ञम् हवन् देवी जुषुषाणा घृता चीशक्मान्नो वाचमुषति शृणोतु पावकानः सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती यज्ञं वष्टुधिया वसुः सरस्वत्यभिनो नेशिवस्यः तृतीयस्यामितो दिवि सोम आसीत् तं गायत्र्या हरतु तस्य पर्णमच्छिद्यता तत्पर्णो भवतु तत्पर्णस्य पर्णत्वं ब्रह्म वै पर्णः यत्पर्णशाखया वत्सानपाकरोति ब्रह्मणैवैनानपाकरोति गायत्रो वै पर्णः गायत्राः पशवः तस्मात् त्रीणि त्रीणि पर्णस्य पलाशानि त्रिपदा गायत्री यत्पर्णशाखया गाः प्राप्रयति स एवैना देवतया प्रार्पयति. ॐ मयि मेधां मेधां मयि मयि मेधां मयि मयि मेधां मयि मयि मेधां मयि मेधां मयि मयि मेधां मेधां मयि प्रजां प्रजां मयि मेधां मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां प्रजां मय्यग्निरग्निर्मयि प्रजां मय्यग्निः प्रजामिति प्राजां मय्यग्निस्तेजस्तेजोऽग्निर्मयि अग्निस्तेजस्तेजोऽग्निरग्निस्तेजो दधात तेजोऽग्निरग्निस्तेजो दधातु तेजो दधात तेजस्तेजो दधात मयि दधात तेजस्तेजो दधात मयि दधात मयि दधात मयि मेधां मयि दधात मयि मेधां मयि मेधां मयि मेधां मयि मेधां मयि मेधां मयि मयि प्रजां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयीन्द्र इन्द्रो मयि प्रजां मयीन्द्रः प्रजामिति प्राजां मयीन्द्र इन्द्रो मयीन्द्र इन्द्रियमिन्द्रियमिन्द्रो मयीन्द्र इन्द्रियम् इंद्रज इंद्रमिन्द्रियमिन्द्रियमिन्द्रो इंद्र इन्द्रियं दधातीन्द्रियमिन्द्रो इंद्र इन्द्रियं दधातु इंद्रियं दधातीन्द्रियमिन्द्रियं दधात मयि दधातीन्द्रियमिन्द्रियं दधात मयि दधात मयि मेधां मयि दधात मयि मेधां 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 मयि प्रजां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यः प्रजामिति प्राजां मयि सूर्यो मयि सूर्यो भ्राज सूर्यो मयि सूर्यो भ्राजः सूर्यो भ्राज सूर्यो भ्राजो दधात भ्राज सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु भ्राजो दधात भ्राजो दधातु दधात्विति दधातु मेधां इन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधां मे अश्विना बुभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजा मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मय्यग्निस्तेजो दधात मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयीन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधात मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु अमां मेधासुरभिर्जुषता गुस्वाहा शतमानं भवति शतायुः पुरुषस्थितेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति चिरञ्जीव सुखी भव महागणपति देवता प्रसादेन श्री महासरस्वती देवता प्रदस्याः वटोश्च दीर्घायुष्यं भूयास्तादिति श्रीमन्तो महान्तो अनुगृह्णन्तो अस्य कुमारस्य कुमार्यौः कुमार्याः सकल श्रेयो वृद्धिरस्तु सकल विद्यापारंगता सिद्धिरस्तु समस्त सम्मंगलानि भवन्तु वाक्पटुत्व सिद्धिरस्तु शुभमस्तु अयिंदम्मा
చాలా సంతోషం గురుగారు.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Sasikala from Dublin, California. Thank you, Guru Garu Brahmashri Chintapalli Venkatesha Sarma Garu for Achirvachanam. Today, Bay Area Durvapadam team presents Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya Jayanti celebration. Srimati Rama Bhagavatalu Garu is the founder of Durvapadam team. Srimati Rama Bhagavatalu Garu and Dr. Purushottama Rao Bhagavatalu Garu started the team with 3 or 4 kids. Today, more than 40 children from different parts of North America and India participating in this event. Today's event overview, Group 1 slokas by DPA Vyasa Group from ages 4 to 8 years old. Shankeshwar Ramayana sloka by DPA Valmiki Group under the guidance of Guru Garu Brahmashri Chintapalli Venkatesha Sharma Garu, SVVP, Mountain House, California. Guest speaker introduction by Mr. Sivaramanji. Guest speaker Dr. Purna Prasad Kharu, CTO, Northwell Health, New York, about Sri Adi Shankaracharya life events and sloka importance. Group 2 slogas by DPA Vyasa Group from ages 8 to 12. Life story of Adi Shankaracharya, few episodes, a skit in English and Sanskrit by DPBA Pattattu Samaskritam Group. About Samaskritam program overview by Sri Pavan Vittala Devaram Haru. Skit in COVID situation by Tamil Chelvi Haru. Bay Area Durvapadam overview by Srimati Rama Bhagavatalu Garu. Vote of thanks by Yamini Garu. Dhanyavadaha.
Namaskaram. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you everyone for joining us today for the celebrations of Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya Jayanti. Now, to honor his life and make this evening memorable, kids from our Dropatham team will recite the slokas of different deities. So we'll start this program with the first group of kids. So let's welcome our first participant, Vedant.
Namaste. I'm Veda and I'm in Fremont, California. I'm reciting Guru Brahma and Vasudev. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kansakshanurna Vardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. Dhanyavad.
The next participant is Kovida.
Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Kovida. I'm from New Jersey. Today I'm going to recite Suklam Baradaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanavadanam Yaye Sarvavignopa Santaye Vakratanda Mahakaya Bodhituya Samaprabha Nirvighna Deva Savakari Sutarvada Dhanyavadaha.
The next participant is Shodashi.
Namaste. My name is Shoji Sivaraman and I'm from Wichita, Kansas. I'm going to be saying Murga Slogam. Shadananam Kumkumarattavarnam Mahamatam Divyamayuravahnam Rudyasisunam Suraselanayakam Guham Shadananam Sharanam Prapatye. Dhanyavadaha.
The next participant is Karthik.
Namaskaramu. Nenu I will recite Shiva Slokal. Vande Shambhu Umapatim Shuraguram Vande Jagakaranam Vande Panyakabhushanam Shashidharam Vande Pashunapatim Namah Shivaya Sambhaya Santaya Paramatmaya Tutyam Dayaya Rudraya Mahadevaya Te Namaha. Dhanyavad.
The next participant is Lohita Kshanbodhana.
Namaskaram, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Lohitaksh. We are from Kansas. The Mahalakshmastakam. Indra Vacha Namastestu Mahamaye Sri Pite Surapujite. Namaste Garudarudi Kola Sirapayankari. Sarvagni Sarvavarade Sarvadvishtapayankari. सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भोक्ति मोक्ति प्रदायिनी
అమ్మా ఇది వాయిస్ వినిపించలేదండి.
ఆది శక్తి మహేశ్వరి స్థూల సూక్ష్మ మహారౌద్రే మహాశక్తి మహోదరే పద్మాసన స్థితే దేవి పరబ్రహ్మ స్వరూపిణి శ్వేతాంబరధరీ దేవి నానాలంకారభూషితే महालक्ष्माष्टकं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः एककाले पठे नित्यं महापापविनाशनम् त्रिकालं यः पठेत् नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनम् महापापहरे महालक्ष्मी नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा धन्यवादः.
The next participant is Sridat Sripad.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సాయి సీతల్. నేను చెప్తున్నది శ్రీరామనామతి ఆదిదేవనమట్టుక్యం కచిత్ మమ భాస్కర దివాకరనమట్టుక్యం ప్రభాకరనమోస్తుతే శ్రీరామ రామ రామేతి రమే రామే మనోరమే తత్సనామ తత్తుల్యం రామ నామ వరాననే. ధన్యవాదాలు. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సాయి శ్రీప్రద్. నేను చెప్తున్నది రామం కన్నం మనోజపం. రామం కందం హనుమంతం వైనతైనం రుకోదరం శయనయ్య పతే నిత్యం దుష్పట్నం తచ్చనచ్చతి మనోజపం పార్థతుల్యమేఘం జితేంద్రియం బుద్ధివకామరితం వాతావజం మాననయోధముఖ్యం శ్రీరామదూతం శిరసా నమామి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
The next participant is Ishan.
Namaste. My name is Ishan. Today I'm gonna recite Gangecha and Karagrehe and Gangecha. Karagrehe Vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule to Govinda, Prabhate Karadarshana, Gangecha Yumane Cheva, Godavari Saraswati, Narmadev Sindhu Kaveri, Talisman Sannidham Guru. Dhanyavadaha.
The next participant is Vaishnavi.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Vaishnavi and I am from Fremont, California. I am reciting Astoman Satkamaya and Apadamba Partana. Astoma Satkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Apadamapahartanam Dataram Sarvasampada Lokabhiramam Shriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham. Dhanyavadaha.
So this is the end of our first group of kids. So our second group of kids will recite the slokas after the next event. Thank you, young ones, for reciting the slokas in a beautiful way. It's a treat to our ears.
Who's young?
I request Bindu Rajnala Garu to take us through the next event.
Who's young?
Bindu Rajnala Garu.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Jyoti Garu. A very good afternoon, everyone. I am Bindu Rajnala from Hyderabad, India. I take this opportunity on this auspicious occasion to thank Rama Bhagawatala Garu, founder, Dhrupadam Bay Area, who has started this Valmiki group along with Pavan Vittaladevaram Garu in March 2021. Since then, our children are very fortunate to learn Sankshepa Ramayanam, also popularly known as Shatasloki Ramayanam, under the guidance of our renowned Guru Garu Brahmashri Chintapalli Venkateswara Sarma Garu. We are also very thankful to all the parents who have been continuously supported on this event. Children from age group 4 to 13 are going to recite the first 20 slokas of Sankshepa Ramayanam. Now I am calling upon our children Aditya, Raghu, Madhava, Shrihan, Vignesh, Kartik Datta and Jagannatha Datta. Please enjoy the recital.
Atha Srimad-Valmiki Ramayanam Atha Sankshepa Ramayanam Om Tapasvadhyaya Niratam Tapasvi Vagvidamvaram Naradam Paripapraksha Valmikir Munipungavam Punvasmin Sampratam Loke Gunavan Kasya Viryavan Dharmagnascha Kritanyascha Satyavakyo Dridhavrataha Charitrena Chakoyuttaha Sarvabhuteshu Gohitaha Vidvan Kahkasamat Kasyeka Priyadarshanah Atmavan Kojitakodaha Jyotiman Konasusuyakaha Kasya Vivyati Devascha Jataroshasya Sanyuge
Etadichhamyaham srotum parang kautuhalam hime maharshetvam samarthosi Nyatumevam vidhannaram Trutva Chaita Trilokagnaha Valmikir Narado Vachaha Sruyatamiti Chamanshya Prahushto Vakyamabrevit Bhavo Durlabhascheva Etvaya Kirtita Gunaha Pune Vakshamyaham Budva Tairukta Sruyatannara Ishvakuamsha Prabhavo Ramo Namajanaistrutaha Niyatatma Mahaviryo Jutiman Drutiman Vachi
बुद्धिमान नीतिमान वाग्मी श्रीमान शत्रुनिभर्हनः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासो गूढजत्रुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिरा सुलालाटः सुविक्रमः समविभक्ताङ्गः स्निग्धवर्णप्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञ सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः सुचिर्वश्य समाधिमान्
प्रजापति समश्रीमान् दाता रिपुनिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञः धनुर्वेदे च निश्चितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थ तत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुः अवीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदा विगतः सद्भिः समुद्रैव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः
स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिव विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत् प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनधेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमं ज्येष्ठं श्रेष्ठगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथश्रुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया.
Thank you, children. That was wonderful. I request Shivramanji to take it forward now.
Thank you, Machi. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavat Pada Shankaram Loka Shankaram. Namaskaram to all. My name is Shivaraman Gopalan from Wichita, Kansas. Today, I take great pleasure to introduce to you all our keynote speaker and chief guest, Dr. Purna Prasad. Dr. Purna Prasad was born into a family of philosophers and Harikatha exponents. He comes from a lineage of the greatest Hari Dasaru, Sri Purandara Dasaru. His grandfather, Vidwan Gopinatha Das, was a pioneer in the field of Harikatha, Bharatiya music and theatre. His great-grandfather, Vidwan Venugopala Dasaru, was a doyen in the field of Haridasa literature and Vedic sciences. Exposed to the Vedic way of life and learning at a very young age, Dr. Purna Prasad developed a passion for studying the science behind the Vedic literature. He came under the tutelage of late Dr. Bananjay Govindacharyaru while preparing for the lead role in the movie Badavacharya. The movie won the Bharatiya National Award and the European Film Festival Award. Dr. Govindacharyaru mentored Dr. Prasad as he researches, learns, and propagates the connection between Vedic science and modern science. Apart from the philosophy, his other passions are music and technology. Dr. Prasad is a proficient musician and his gurus include Pandit Ravi Shankar, Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, and Sri Vayyapuri Devar. Dr. Prasad founded the Artistic Academy Pampa in the US and was instrumental in scripting dance drama themes based on Upanishad Puranas, Ramayana, and Mahabharata. Dr. Prasad has lectured on the topic of science behind Vedantam, the relevance of Bhagavad Gita to daily living, and understanding Vedantam through the lens of modern science. Dr. Purna Prasad holds a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, a master's degree in biomedical engineering, and a PhD in information technology. He is currently the Chief Technology Officer at Northwell, the largest healthcare enterprise in the US. Please join me in welcoming our chief guest and keynote speaker, Dr. Purna Prasad. Hara Hara Shankar, Jai Jai Shankar.
Thank you very much for that wonderful introduction. Hi kids, how are you? I'm going to be speaking to you. The parents can listen if they're interested, but it's between you and I. Okay. So beautiful when I heard you saying the different chantings. But each of those chantings has a great meaning behind it. You're going to love it when you start knowing the meaning as you grow up. And hopefully, this wonderful educational institution and your parents are going to get you that education where you really know the meaning of what you're saying. Now, one such kid who was brilliant like you in the 8th century in India was Shankara. Acharya Shankara was just like you. Nothing different, but had some special characteristics. He actually had what we call as Eka Shrutidhara, could hear once the entire thing and repeat the whole thing word to word to word, just like as you guys did. And he developed such interest for these wonderful Vedic hymns like yourself and started digging around, wanted to know what is the meaning behind it. And that is where the entire beautiful world of the Vedas started unraveling. Now, let me tell you why it is important. It's important because, you may think a word has a meaning, right? You may say, Mom, can you give me some food? Words have no meaning. What has meaning is, Mom, can you give me some food? The tone behind it, that music behind it. It's almost like you're singing. That gives the meaning. So what the Vedic hymns does is it adds the tone to those words. You've learned so many rhymes when you were young. And then many of you repeated some wonderful shlokas here. Purnamadha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamuduchyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Beautiful to hear. But what does that mean? It means if you take that very big thing and you subtract it from very big thing, what you get is that very big thing. If you take the very big thing, add that very big thing, you get that very big thing. What is that big thing? It is that energy inside which makes you speak, which makes you hear, which makes you see, which gives you the touch, the taste, and the smell. It is inside you. It is Krishna for people who love Krishna. It is Rama for people who love Rama. It is Narayana for people who love Narayana. This is what Acharya Shankara gave us. What a brilliant way of introducing us to somebody who is not only inside us, but also outside us. A small sentence in Upanishad says that. Antar bahischa tat sarvam vyapya narayana stitaha. And you know what? He's always with you. That's what Shankara said. He is always with you. He is your biggest friend. So when you call him musically, when you call him with a song, you all love to sing the song, he always responds. And that song is called as the Vedas. It is just calling him with different names. When you say, Agnaye Swaha, Agnaye Tannamama, beautiful to hear. You are calling the divine inside the fire. It is the fire that burns inside you that makes you talk, that makes you see, that makes you hear, that makes you touch, that makes you taste, and that makes you smell. You can actually, when you touch yourself, you can feel that warmth. And Acharya Shankara said, that is the supreme inside you in the form of heat, in the form of Agni. So every Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, Atharva Veda, any of those chantings you do is directed, it actually is a characteristic, an attribute, a quality of your beloved Lord. That's it. You can call him anything you want that you like. You may call him Bala Hanuman. You may call him Ganapati. You can call him Rudradeva. You can call him Ishvara. He is always there with you. That's exactly what Shankaracharya said. That's why he gave you that beautiful verse. Bhaja Govindam means always remember that friend, that companion who is always there, inside you and outside you. Don't you be afraid about anything. And once you know this all-encompassing God, you don't have to know anything else. So when you're studying science, when you're studying mathematics, when you're studying painting, when you're studying music, it is all the expression of the God, that's all. It is you expressing God as numbers, as music, as words, as alphabets, because you can never express something that is not God. That is what Shankaracharya said. That is his secret name. You just need to think about him. You don't even have to call him. You don't even have to say anything. He is right there. Now, during those times when Acharya Shankara was, there were some difficult problems because of the ignorance of some people. People thought whenever we sacrificed or gave anything to the nature in the form of fire, we could give anything we wanted. So they used to kill animals. There are evidence of practice of humans being killed and sacrificed because of the wrong understanding of what the Vedas said. It was solely Acharya Shankara who corrected them and said, you cannot kill, ahimsa paramo dharmaha. You shall not kill. You only offer what the nature gives you, right? It gives you vegetables. It basically gives you fruits. It gives you rice. It gives you all those beautiful food that you like. Before you eat, you offer it to who is inside and who is responsible for it. Because, Shankaracharya said, he gives that supreme God gives that to you through his wife, the mother for all of us, by name Lakshmi Devi. That is the reason he was so passionate about his divine mother, because mother means the nature you see outside that gives us everything. By doing so, Acharya Shankara, when he was very young, was able to bring together these different sects of people who did not understand the scriptures and were greatly involved in very wrong things like animal sacrifice. That is one of his unique contributions. And also there were people who mistook that there were different gods. No. The Shruti says very clearly, Narayanam gunais sarvaihi udhirnam dosha varjitam nyayam gamyam guruns chapi natva sutrartha uchyate. All the scriptures talk about one God. You can call him Narayana, you can call him Krishna, you can call him Rama, any of the 10 avatars. So there were people who basically, said, except for the Shaiva or the Shiva cult, nothing else exists. Vaishnava said, except for Vishnu, nobody exists. The Shakta basically started worshipping Mother Shakti only. The Ganapatyas, this is another sect, started worshipping Ganesha. The Kaumara started worshipping Kartikeya. And the Saurya sect started only worshipping Surya. But inside all that was that single God that they didn't understand from the Vedas. And Shankaracharya made it very clear. No. There is one God only, and that is, you call him Paramatma, Parameshwara, Narayana. Don't you get confused. And he is always there inside us and outside us. Acharya Shankara had a very short time on this earth. It's almost like God had a defined project for him. He completed it and he left. But what he gave to us is immemorable. You cannot measure it. That is how vast it is. He wrote beautiful explanation to different aspects of the Vedic philosophy, starting from what is called the law of the universe, and they call it as logical source. Don't worry about that name. It is the law of the universe called Brahma Sutra. The next one is he wrote on the highest level of the Vedic literature, explanation. And that highest level of Vedic literature is called Upanishads. Upanishads means Upari. Upari means Upar, up. When you want to get yourself up in knowledge, you go and sit there. That is Upanishad. And of course, a beautiful commentary on the divine song that we all love, the Bhagavad Gita. They called it as Prasthanatraya. Don't worry about those names. But here is the crux of the matter that one needs to understand. He also composed beautiful shlokas like Panchakam. Panchakam means the 5 pentads, the 5, lines of the 5 great compositions. They called it, Manisha Panchakam, Maya Panchakam, Sadhana Panchakam, Kashi Panchakam, Matru Panchakam. You all can learn this. It's very beautiful. The meaning anybody can understand. Very beautifully given. He also created different universities and appointed his students in order to take care of the learning. These were open universities. People could go and then learn. He established those right from the northern tip of Bharata, that is Kashmir, to the southern tip, which is Kanchipuram, and organized everything in such a way that any student of philosophy, Vedic philosophy, could go through the training and can pursue it as their own work. They can even become a sannyasi. They can be a grihastha, that they can be a family person and then still teach it to their kids. And the most important thing here is, Acharya Shankara said, knowledge is the most important thing, gnana. What does he mean? When you say something, you need to understand the meaning behind it. Just saying it is like, repeating of the tape recorder. That's what he called as Dunkran Kare. But you need to question. If your parents or your guru teaches you a Vedic hymn or a verse, question them. Guruji, mom, dad, what is the meaning behind it? And if they tell you, who taught you this? Then you say, Dr. Purna Prasad, that guy who actually is a troublemaker, taught you that. They can call me and yell at me. No problem. But kids, you need to understand the meaning, because the meaning is not in the words. It is the tone behind the words. In order to understand that swara, that ring, that's why it's called Rigveda. You need to know the meaning behind it. And the meaning is beautiful. No, it is not complicated. You guys are very smart. Let me tell you, much, much smarter than me. And when the meaning behind these words, Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Shanka Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute, when you know the meaning, Namastestu, oh, I actually bow to thee. Mahamaye, you are the one. When you say illusion, it's some things that we can understand, some we don't. It's the nature. When you want to see the Mahamaya, just look out your window. How does a small, thing grow up into such a big tree? A small seed. Dad and mom actually put that small seed, water it, and it starts giving you fruits. It starts giving you apples. It starts giving you oranges. Who made all this? Namastestu Mahamaye. She sits as the Shri Tattva, means the one that enables the growth of everything, the environment that you grow to be an adult, the environment where you become an educated person, the environment where you become a musician, an artist, a painter, or whatever is your passion is. That is Lakshmi, and you're thanking her because it is your mother. When you understand it like this, the entire Vedic hymn becomes real fun to learn. You must always see it as fun. Please do not get very serious or say, oh my God, I got to do this. No, because it's a lot of fun. And then if you really want to know the fun behind the Vedas, maybe we can have some sessions and I'll give you all the fun that I learned from my Guruji, who is there right behind me, Dr. Bananjay Govindacharya. I think I passed my 20 minutes. But if there are any questions from the kids, I don't mind, even from the parents, I can take it if it is permissible. If not, we can have another session. So let's follow the path of Acharya Shankara, who basically established this wonderful system for us. the more you read his writings, his bhashyas, his thesis, the more you will appreciate the enormous knowledge that he has given us that basically saved our tradition of Vedic school. Otherwise, it would have been gone. Okay? With that, I will basically end with a small prayer where we offer all that we have learned to the holy feet of the Supreme Lord, Parameshwara, Narayana, Krishna, Rama. Okay? Let's say this. Harihi Om Kayena Vacha Manasindriyerva Buddhyatmana Va Anusrita Svabhava Karomi Yadyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana Yeti Samarpayami. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing such wonderful information on Adi Shankaracharya and the importance of slokas and Vedas and enlightening us. So next let's begin our next event. So now we'll be starting our group 2.
Jyotiji, 1 minute. I mean, just because if there are any questions for Purna Prasad ji from the parents, if not, we can move on. I just wanted to check because he offered to answer any questions.
Or any kids. I love the kids more.
Any kids? Kids, any questions for Purna Prasad ji? I think we are all mesmerized with the speech, Purna ji. Really, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So let's welcome our group 2 kids. The first participant is Kaushik Sri Krishna.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Na peru Shri Krishna Sandhya Varnam. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Na peru Kaushik Varnam. Memu California Sacramento lo ఉంటాం. ఈరోజు మేము గురు నామాలు చెప్తాం. శ్రీ గురుమూర్తే నమః. శ్రీ ఆచార్యాయ నమః. శ్రీ ధ్యాననిధయే నమః. శ్రీ కృపా వీక్షణాయ నమః. శ్రీ అమలాయ నమః. శ్రీ జ్ఞానదేశికాయ నమః. శ్రీ దురాచార నాశకాయ నమః. శ్రీ భవాబ్ది తారణాయ నమః. శ్రీ సదాచారాయ నమః. శ్రీ సదా తారకాయ నమః. శ్రీ అభయంకరాయ నమః. శ్రీ విధి విష్ణు శివాకృతయే నమః. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదములు.
The next participant is Sai Anirudh Mahika.
Namaskaram. Na peru Sai Anirudh.
నా పేరు సాయి మహిక. మేము టారెన్స్ కాలిఫోర్నియాలో ఉంటున్నాము.
మేము మహాలక్ష్మాష్టకం చెప్తాము. ఇంద్రవాచ నమస్తేస్తు మహామాయే శ్రీపీతే సురపూజితే శంఖచక్ర గదాహస్తే మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. నమస్తే గరుడారూఢే కోలాసుర భయంకరి సర్వపాపహరే దేవి మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. సర్వజ్ఞే సర్వవరదే సర్వదుష్ట భయంకరి సర్వపాపహరే దేవి మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. సిద్ధి బుద్ధి ప్రదే దేవి ముక్తి ముక్తి ప్రదాయని మంత్రమూర్తి సదా దేవి మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. ఆజంతరహిదే దేవి ఆదిశక్తి మహేశ్వరి యోగజ్ఞే యోగ సంభూతే మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే.
స్థూల సూక్ష్మ మహారాత్రే మహాశక్తి మహోదరి మహాపాపహరే దేవి మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. పద్మాసన స్థితే దేవి పరబ్రహ్మ స్వరూపిణి పరమేశీ జగన్నాథ మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. శ్వేతాంబరధరే దేవి నానాలంకారభూషితే జగస్థితే జగన్మాత మహాలక్ష్మీ నమోస్తుతే. महालक्ष्म्यस्तकं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा एककाले पठेत् नित्यं महापापविनाशनं विकारं यः पठेत् नित्यं धनधान्यसमन्वितः
ధన్యవాదాలు.
The next participant is Soumya Darshana.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Soumya and I live in Dublin, California. I'm 10 years old and I'm going to be reciting Keshava Namavali. Om Keshavaya Namaha, Om Narayanaya Namaha, Om Madhavaya Namaha, Om Govindaya Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Madhusudanaya Namaha, Om Trivikramaya Namaha, Om Vamanaya Namaha, Om Sridharaya Namaha, Om Rishikeshaya Namaha, Om Padmanabhaya Namaha, Om Damodaraya Namaha, Om Sankarshanaya Namaha, Om Vasudevaya Namaha, Om Pradyumnaya Namaha, Om Aniruddhaya Namaha, Om Purushottamaya Namaha, Om Adokshajaya Namaha, Om Narasimhaya Namaha, Om Achyutaya Namaha, Om Janardhanaya Namaha, Om Upendraya Namaha, Om Hariye Namaha, Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Dhanyavadaha.
The next participant is Nupur.
Namaskaram. My name is Nupur Patil. I live in Mountain House, California, and I will now recite Anjananadanam and Matrudevo Bhava. Anjananadanam Veram Janki Shlokanashanam Kapishamaksha Hantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankari. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atiti Devo Bhava. Dhanyavadaha.
The next participant is Sahiti.
Namaskaram. My name is Sahiti. Today I will be reciting Adi Shankara Namavali. I live in Mountain House, California. I learned this in Gyananand Seva Samajam Gurukulam and my teacher's name is Jayasri Ganesh. Srimad Shankara Rupa Guru Kamita Vitarana Loka Guru Vibhuda Pratita Loka Guru Abhuda Madanta Sutipa Guru Kalipatita Sandrasa Guru Kalatyudbhava Loka Guru Stapita Shanmadashara Guru Tapabha Muni Vandya Guru Uktatvaya Shatvijaya Guru Shabdatvaksara Shanta Guru Karuna Sagara Parama Guru Nirupama Mahima Nilaya Guru Jaya Jaya Shankara Ruka Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Loka Guru Bhavahara Shankara Bhuvana Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Jagat Guru Jaya 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 Shiva Ratna Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Loka Guru Jaya 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 Jnanananda Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Jagat Guru Jaya 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 Haridasa Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Loka Guru Jaya 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 Namananda Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Jagat Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Jagat Guru Jaya Shubha Mangala Jagat Guru. Dhanyavadaha.
The next participant is Nikita.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Nikita and I am going to recite the Surya Namavali. Shri Mitraya Namaha, Shri Ravaye Namaha, Shri Suryaya Namaha, Shri Bhanave Namaha, Shri Khagaya Namaha, श्रीपूष्णे नमः श्रीहिरण्यगर्भाय नमः श्रीमरीचये नमः श्रीसवित्रे नमः श्री आदित्याय नमः श्री अर्घाय नमः श्री भास्कराय नमः धन्यवादः।
Next participant is Hayavat Hrimati.
Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Hayavad. My name is Hrimati. We live in Mountain House. I am going to chant the Durga slokas. Om Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sive Sadbhakta Sadike Saranye Triyambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Katyayanaaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durga Prachodayat. I'm going to chant the Surya Gayatri. Om Namah Suryaya Shantaya Sarva Roga Nivarine Ayur Arogyam Aishwaryam Dehi Deva Jagatpate. Om Bhaskaraya Vidmahe Divyakaraya Dhimahi Tanno Surya Prachodayat. Adideva Namastubhyam Prasiddha Mama Bhaskaram Divakara Namastubhyam Prabhakara Namostute. Dhanyavadaha.
Next participant is Srihan Balajapalli.
Namaste, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Srihan, and the slogan I'm reciting is Keshavanamalu. Om Keshavaya Namaha. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha. Om Vishnuve Namaha. Om Madhusudana Namaha. Om Trivikrama Namaha. Om Brahmava Namaha. Om Siddhava Namaha. Om Hushikesa Namaha. Om Padmanabha Namaha. Om Damodara Namaha. Om Sankarasha Namaha. Om Vasudeva Namaha. Om Padyumna Namaha. Om Aniruddha Namaha. Om Pushuttama Namaha. Om Adoksaja Namaha. Om Nahasimha Namaha. Om Achyuta Namaha. Om Janadana Namaha. Om Upindra Namaha. Om Hariye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Namaha. Dhanyavadaha.
And the last participant to recite the sloka is Amrit and Ashrit.
Namaste Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I'm Ashrit and I'm Amrit. And today we'll be reciting the Krishnashtakam. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramartanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Atasi Pushpa Sankasam Haranupurashobhitam Ratna Kankana Keyuram Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Kutilalaka Samyuktam Purna Chandra Nibananam Vilasat Kundaladaram Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mandara Gandha Samyuktam Charuhasam Chaturbhujam Barhi Pinchava Chudangam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Utpulla Padma Patraksham Neelajimuta Sannibam Yadavanam Shiroratnam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Rukmini Keli Samyuktam Pitambara Shushobitam Avapta Tulasi Gandham Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Gopikanam Kuchadvanda Kumkumankita Vakshasam Sriniketa Maheshwasam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Srivatsankam Mahoraskam Vanamala Virajitam
शङ्खचक्रधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णाष्टकमिदं पुण्यं प्रातरुत्थाय यः पठेत् कोटिजन्मकृतं पापं स्मरणेन विनश्यति इति श्रीकृष्णाष्टकं धन्यवादः.
There is one more participant in to recite the sloka. It's Sai Mahika.
నేను మహాలక్ష్మాష్టకం ఫలశ్రుతి చెప్తాను. మహాలక్ష్మాష్టకం స్తోత్రం ఎప్పటి భక్తిమందన సర్వశక్తిమవాప్నోతి ప్రాచీన అప్పటి సర్వదా ఏకకాలే పఠే మహావినాశనం వికాలం యః పఠే నిత్యం ధనధాన్య సమన్వితః త్రికాలం యః పఠే నిత్యం మహాశస్త్రవినాశనం महालक्ष्मी भवे नित्यं प्रसन्न वरदा शुभा. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, kids. Thank you for reciting the slokas in an amazing way. That turned out really well. Thank you so much for giving me to be part of this program. Dhanyavadaha.
We would like to bring back Loktash and Bohita.
Namaskaram. Sri Guru My name is Lohita. My name is Bodhana. We are Namaste Sankachkragadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostude Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostude Mantamurti Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostude योगज्ञे योग संभूते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महापापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते जगन्स्थिते जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राजं पाप्नोति सर्वदा दुकालिं यः पठेत् नित्यं धनधान्य समन्वितः महालक्ष्मी भवे नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा. धन्यवादः.
With this, the sloka recitation is done. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to participate in this event. Dhanyavadaha.
Before we move on to the next event, we need to bring Aditya from Ramayana Sloka group.
नित्यानन्दकरी वराभयकरी सौन्दर्यरत्नाकरी निर्धूता किल घोरपापनिकरी प्रत्यक्ष माहेश्वरी प्रालयाचलवंश पावनकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलम्बनकरी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी वामे माणिक्यपात्रं मधुरसभरितं बिभ्रतीं पाणिपद्मे दिव्यैरन्नैः प्रपूर्णां कृतमणिवलये दक्षिणे रत्नदर्वीं रत्नाङ्गीं पीनतुङ्गस्तनपर्णमितां तारहारोपसेव्यां वन्दे पूर्णेन्दुबिम्बप्रतिभरवदनाम् अम्बिकामन्नपूर्णां श्री अन्नपूर्णेश्वर्यै नमः.
Namaste everyone. So that was beautiful, right? All the kids sung beautiful Sanskrit shlokas. Now we'll go ahead with a skit based on Adi Shankaracharya's life. Okay. This is like, we have taken the three most important events of Sri Adi Shankara's life and played them as a skit. The kids who have performed this have practiced the dialogues over several weeks. They'll say the dialogues in English followed by Sanskrit, and they will also enact. Okay, there is a lot of effort that has gone in to make sure that the technical difficulties were overcome and we give a beautiful skit for all of you. Okay, This is from the life of Adi Shankaracharya. There are three important events that we have tried to perform here. Okay. I hope you all enjoy. Dhanyavadaha.
Nagendraharaya Trilochanaya Basmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Mandakini Salila Chandana Charchitaya Nandishvara Pramatanata Maheshwaraya Mandara Pushpa Baupushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Shivaya Gauri Vadanatya Brinda Suryaya Daksha Dwarana Shakaya Srinilakantaya Vrishadvajaya Tasmai Shikaraya Namah Shivaya Vashista Kumbhot Bhavagautamārya Munindra Deva Chitashekaraya Chandrartha Vaishvana Dralochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya Yagnasvarupaya Jatataraya Pinakahastaya Sanatanaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya Tasmai Yakaraya Namah Shivaya Panchaksharamidam punyam Yapate Shiva Sannidham Shivlokamavapnoti Shivena Samodate.
One fine day, Shankara went out to collect bhiksha and reached a hut. He saw a woman there who had old clothes and looked very weak. Shankara said,
Bhavati bhiksham dehi, Mata bhiksham dehi.
O sannyasi, due to my utter poverty, I don't have any grains nor anything else to offer to you. Please let me check whatever is available. Hey Kumara, aham ativa dana asmi. Mama gruhe bhavate datum. Annama nasti. Tatapi kinchit anveshayami.
The lady searched everywhere for some type of food, but could not find anything, as she was very poor. Then she found one gooseberry to give.
O sannyasi, I am so sorry. I have nothing but a gooseberry to give to you. Would you please accept that? O sannyasi, कृपया क्षमं करोतु मम साक्षी केवलम् एकम् आम्लिकम् अस्ति भवान् स्वीकरोति किम्?
By all means, please offer it to me, Mata. Amba, Nishchayena Dalatu.
The lady hands over the bhiksha. Shankara closes his eyes and feels the poor lady's sorrow. He prays to Lakshmi Devata and starts chanting this prayer.
Angam Hare Hepulakabhushanamashrayanti Rangangane Pamukula Tamanam Angikritayila Vibhutirapangalela Mangalyadastu Mama Mangaladevatayaha.
After the shloka was completed, Lakshmi Devata appeared in front of Shankara.
Amba, please help this poor lady get over her poverty. Amba, Krupaya Yetasyaha Adhanayaha Sahayam Karotu.
Hey Shankara, the wealth and poverty are derived states of one's karma in previous birth. This lady is destined to poverty due to her past life deeds. How can I grant her with wealth if she hasn't performed any act of kindness? Hey Shankara, Janaha, Purva Janma Samskara, Eva Asmin Janmani, Danikahava, Daridraha Bhavati, Yedi, Esha Kimapi Sadkaryam, Na Krutavati, Tarhi Aham Katam, Ye Tasye Varam Dadami.
Amba, this lady, despite her poverty, chose to give the last thing that she had. Isn't it kindness enough to appeal to your kindness and attain your blessings? Amba, Yesha Asana Tasyaha Daridre Api Mama Krute Avashishtam Ekam Amarakam Hiksha Rupena Dattavati. Etat Bhavatyaha Karunakatakshaya Aparyaptam Kim.
Hey Shankara, very true. I am pleased with your prayer, as well as the lady's selfless offering. I will grace her with the ultimate wealth. Hey Shankara, Satyam Aham Santushtam Asmi, Yetasya Aham Sarvavidat Saubhagyam Dadami.
Goddess Lakshmi showered a big heap of golden gooseberries in front of the lady's hut and blessed both Shankara and the poor lady.
Hey Mata, Dhanyavadaha. I will keep some for my need and I will donate the rest for others' need. Hey Mata, Dhanyavadaha. Angrutasmi Bhavatyaha Datum Saubhagyam Aham Anyebhyaha Api Vitrami.
Shankara proves that if you pray to God with bhakti, He will give you everything you need. Dhanyavada.
Namaste, Mama Nama Navishni, Mama Patram Lakshmi Devi. Dhanyavadaha.
Namaste, Mama Nama Nagaritika, Mama Patra, poor lady. Dhanyavadaha.
Namaste. Mama Nama Srivatsaha. Mama Patram Bala Shankaraha. Dhanyavadaha.
When Shankara was in Varanasi, an old Brahmana sought Shankara's explanation on the various sutras and entered into a long debate extending over a number of days. After 8 days, it struck Padmapada that the Brahmana was none other than Vedavyasa.
Acharya, this great Brahmana is none other than Vedavyasa, the very incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Acharya, Eshaha sa Brahmana, Nakopi Anyaha, Eshaha tu Sakshat, Shri Mahavishnu Swarupaha, Vedavyasa eva.
Oh, great sage, could you kindly provide your candid opinion on my bhashya? O Maharshi, Kripaya Mama Sutra Bhashyasya Vimarshanam Karotu.
Hey Shankara, I am very pleased. Only you alone have understood the real meaning of sutras. Hey Shankara, aham bahu santushtaha kevalam bhavan ekah eva sutranam artham akatwan.
I am blessed. I have nothing else to do now. I wish to leave this physical body. Anugrahitosmi mama anya karyam nasti. Aham sharyam tyaktum ichchami.
Shankara, not yet. For the sake of upholding Sanatana Dharma, may you live for 16 more years with blessings of Lord Shiva. O Shankara, Aduna eva mastu Sanatana Dharmasya samudharnardham Bhavan itopi shodasha varshani Shivanugrahena jivet.
Dhanyasmi, as you wish. Dhanyasmi, yatha bhavataha agnya. Namaste. मम नाम श्रीवत्सः मम पात्रम् आदिशङ्कराचार्य धन्यवादः जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्कर
Namaste. Mama Nama Arna. Mama Patra Padmapalacharya. Dhanyavadaha. Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara.
Namaste. Mama Nama Sanvi. Mama Patra Vedavyasa. Dhanyavadaha. Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara.
Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Taking Kumarila Bhattu's suggestion, Shri Adi Shankara decides to visit his disciple Shri Mandana Mishra in Mahishmati city. Upon arriving at the city, Shankara inquires about Mandana Mishra's house. Mandana Mishra, who strongly dislikes sannyasis and treats them poorly in general, was upset and angry upon seeing Shankara at his doorstep. He was actually performing ancestral rituals at the time of Shankara's arrival and was serving great rishis like Vyasa, Jaimini. Mandana Mishra and Shankara had a heated argument for some time, like below.
I dislike sannyasis who give up their rituals. They're like thieves. Karman tyaktva sannyasindanaham dvishyami te chorasamanaha.
Thieves are those who don't offer bhiksha to their guests. Choraha te ye swagraham abhyagatam tiraskurvanti.
Hey Mandana, please treat the guests like God. Oh Mandana, Bhavataha Griham Agataha Abhyagataha Vishnu Swarupaha Atatihi Te Samanaha Tam Satkarotu.
What offering will you like? Sadhu. Hey Shankara, Bhavan kim praptum ichchati?
I came to your abode expecting Vivada Bhiksha, a debate offering. Aham bhavata sah Vivada Bhiksham ichchami.
All right, I will take sannyasam if you defeat me in this debate. Astu, aham yati apajayam prapnoti tarhi grihasya dharma tyaktva sannyasam swikaromi.
Okay, if I lose, then I will leave sannyasam and take up grihastha dharmam. Tarhi aham apajayam prapnomi chet sannyasam tyaktva grihastha dharmam swikaromi.
Both of them agreed that Ubhaya Bharati, Mandana Mishra's wife and incarnation of goddess Saraswati, should mediate the debate.
Okay, I agree to mediate your debate. I'll put flower garlands around each of your neck. Whoever is losing the debate, the garland will wither. Sadhu, Bhavatam Vada Ninneta Bhavitum Aham Angikaromi. Pushpa Malikam Bhavatam Kante Daraya. Vada Samaye Yasya Malikam Pradamam Shushkam Bhavati Saha Parajitha Bhavati.
Three of the most important arguments between Shankara and Mandana Mishra are as follows. The first discussion is about differentiating Mahavakyas, Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, from the Shabdavakyas like Hum Phat, Vau Shat. Mandana argues they both are the same and hence special consideration is not needed. But Shankara argues that Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi are in Sambodhana, that is addressing tone, and different from Shabdavakyas, and hence we should take the message of non-duality from these Mahavakyas.
All the Mahavakyas, Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, Prajnanam Brahma, Ayam Atma Brahma, indicate the non-duality of Jiva and Ishvara. Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, Prajnanam Brahma, Ayam Atma Brahma, Sarvani Mahavakyani Advaitam eva Suchayanti.
But aren't these sentences common, just like others in Vedas? Yada anya Vedavakyani etami api tataiva kalu? They're just like other mantras like Humpat, Vaushat, Asrepat, etc. Yada Humpat, Vaushat.
O Mandana, Tattvamasi is Jnana Vakyam. Humpat is Shabda Vakyam. He Mandana, Bhedaha asti. महावाक्यानि ज्ञानकाण्डस्य वाक्यानि, परन्तु भवता उक्तानि शब्दवाक्यानि।
How so? Katam?
Tattvamasi Shvetaketo, O Shvetaketo, you're that. And Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahma. These sentences clearly show as being addressed to someone. Pashyatu, Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi. Ete Sambodhanam Suchayanti.
I agree that these sentences are different from Shabda Shakti sentences. Astu, Angikaram.
In the second discussion, Mandana argues that just like we imagine eternal God in small idol, these Mahavakyas are indicating a substitution of Ishvara in Jiva. Also, there are other sentences in Vedic Veda which indicate that Jiva and Ishvara are different. Shankara clarifies that Jnanakanda sentences should not be confused with Karmakanda sentences. Tattvamasi does not say you are like him. It clearly says you are him. Aham Brahmasmi does not say I am like Brahma. It says I am Brahma. These sentences represent pure wisdom, that is Jnana Vicharana, that establishes that Jiva and Ishvara are one and the same.
Just like we imagine eternal God in small idol, these sentences are indicating the substitution of Ishvara in Jiva. Yata sarvavyapi bhagavantam shilakande bhavayamaha tateva aham brahmasmi api jive brahmana bhavana asti. Thus, these don't indicate non-duality. Tatra jivashvara aikyam na pratipaditam. There are other sentences in Veda which indicate that Jiva and Ishvara are different, right? Yata anye Veda vakyani sandhi ye jivam ishram binnam idi suchiyanti.
You should not compare the Karma Kanda Vedic sentences with the Jnana Kanda Vedic sentences. He Mandana Vedaha Asti. Mahavakyani Jnana Kandasya Bhinnani. Karma Kandasya Bhinnani. Tattvamasi doesn't say you are like him. It clearly says you are him. Tattvamasi ityukte tvam eva tattiti. Tvam iva tattiti na. Aham Brahmasmi doesn't say I am like Brahma. It clearly says I am Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi ityukte aham eva Brahmam iti. Aham iva Brahmam iti na khalu. These sentences represent pure wisdom, Jnana Vicharana, that establishes that Jiva and Ishvara are one and the same. Tasmat etani vakyani Jiva Ishvara aikyam pratipadayanti. Etadeva advaitam.
Agreed. Astu, Angikaram.
In the third discussion, Mandana argues that karma, which means efforts, are more important to attain liberation. But Shankara clarifies that karma is more important to enhance knowledge, but liberation can be attained only through jnanam, that is knowledge. Results of karma are finite while liberation is infinite. Hence it proves that infinite moksha is not possible through karma but is possible only through knowledge, that is Brahma Jnanam.
To attain liberation, karma is very important. Mokshartam karma mukhyam asti.
Karma is more important to enhance knowledge. Karma mukhyam, parantu jnanartam eva. But liberation can be attained only through jnanam. Otherwise, it is impossible to attain. Moksha tu jnanamargena eva siddhyati.
To attain liberation, I agree that jnanam is needed, but not more than karma. Moksham praptum jnanam avashyakam, parantu karma eva mukhyam.
Hey Mandana, liberation is eternal. Do you agree? Hey Mandana, moksham anantam khalu?
Yes,
Karma has finite results. Do you agree? Karma phalam anantam nasti khalu?
Yes,
If liberation is eternal, how can this be a result of karma then? Moksham anantam, parantu karma phalam anantam nasti. Tarhi moksham karma phalam katham bhavati?
True, satyam.
So, doesn't it prove that you cannot attain eternal liberation just by doing karma? Ataha mokshartam kevalam karma eva paryaptam na bhavati.
Correct. Samichinam.
You can only attain eternal liberation by having Brahmagnanam. Brahmagnanena eva moksha praptihi. Brahmagnanena eva moksha praptihi.
What you say is true. Oh, great one, please accept me as your disciple. Bhavan Satyam Vadati. Hey Guru, Mam Shishya Rupena Svikarotu Kripaya.
Tathastu.
The garland on Mandana Mishra withers, indicating his defeat against Shankara.
I declare Shankara as the victor in this debate. Shankara he eva vadavidyeta iti goshya.
Adi Shankara accepted Mandana Mishra as his disciple and titled him as Sureshwara. Ubhaya Bharati appeared as goddess Saraswati in front of everyone.
Now it is time to return to my abode Brahmaloka. Idanim samayaha agataha mama Brahmalokam gamanartam.
He Mata, Kripaya ma gachatu. Shringeri Adipite Stitva Ashirvadam Karatu.
Tathastu.
Namaste. Mama Nama Sanvi. Mama Phatra Vedavyasa. Tanyavadaha. Jaya Jaya Shankara. Hara Hara Shankara.
Namaste. Mama Nama Pritika. Mama Patra Mandana Mishra. Dhanyavadaha. Jaya Jaya Shankara. Hara Hara Shankara.
Namaste. Mama Nama Padma Priya. Mama Patram Shri Adi Shankaracharya. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Andy. It was amazing, right, kids? Did you all enjoy the skit? Let me quickly speak about Sanskritam, that effort that we are doing to teach the kids, right, over the last 1 year. So as you all know, in addition to the Shloka class, we introduced the Sanskritam learning for the kids, the spoken Sanskrit, in baby steps for all the kids to be able to speak simple Sanskritam. I really appreciate the efforts put in by the kids to, do the homework and, learn the Sanskritam, try to speak in Sanskritam over the last 8 months that we have been teaching them. And I really am thankful to Rama Garu for giving me the opportunity. Believe me, personally, I have been trying to teach Sanskritam over the past 10 years. I'm learning and teaching as well. And teaching kids Sanskritam is not easy. But these kids have been very patient and, have been very responsive, have been doing their homework. I've been trying to speak in the classes openly, okay, without any inhibitions, right? That is the first step to learning any language. And Sanskritam is very important for our culture. So in that line, when we started this program, I was thinking about, teaching them only the basic Sanskritam learning skills so that they are able to understand what they are saying. Like, the day-to-day usages of good morning, good evening, Shubhodayam, and how they can talk to their parents in the home, okay, how they can identify objects in Sanskritam. So, and these kids have been learning all these things over the past few months. And, I'm sure they can identify objects in Sanskritam. They can speak some basic Sanskritam sentences. Just like Purna Prasad ji said right earlier about a seed and a tree, right? So we are actually enjoying the fruits of the efforts from great rishis and munis and gurus in Sanskritam, like, Adi Shankara, Veda Vyasa, who have given us the vast literature in Sanskritam, okay, and preserved our culture in shlokas, stotras, and small scriptures. Shankaracharya has written so many stotras. He has written shlokas which are like, one stanza length to, Shatashlokis and Brhat Kavyas. Okay? But all these are in Sanskritam. Okay, all these are in Sanskritam. And to understand them, it is important to be able to understand the language itself. Okay, and kids, think about it. When we are having the fruits of Sanskritam, when we enjoy the fruit, do we ever think that who has sown this seed, who has been watering this plant, who has been taking care of the tree until it gives the fruits and we enjoy? No. So we should start thinking in the direction. So just like we enjoy the fruit and we don't want to throw away the seed, we want to pick it up and we want to sow it again and water it. That is what we are doing with these baby steps like learning Sanskritam. Okay, these are the steps where we are trying to understand what the literature is, understand the shlokas, recite them with proper ucharana, and then be able to take it forward in terms of learning and teaching in the future. Okay. I believe this is a great opportunity for all of us, and I thank Dropadam and Rama Garu especially for giving us this opportunity. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, Pavan Garu. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Tamiselvi Prabhakaran. I just want to talk briefly about how we did this skit, during this COVID time. Under the guidance of Srimati Rama Bhagavatula Garu and Shri Pavan Vittaladevaram Garu, we started this drama practice towards the end of March. Normally, we will do all these performances on the stage, but due to the ongoing COVID situations, we had to make it to an online presentation. The play includes all the children from Dhruvapadam Bay Area, California, USA, and there were children across different time zones who were part of this play. This play is performed in both English and Sanskrit, as you saw, and for many children, it was a new learning in Sanskrit. And most of the children tried their own props like kiritams and then the golden pot and shivalingams, and made use of their time for this program. We treated children's health and safety as the most priority. We adhered to all of these social distancing and all the COVID-19 restrictions. We had all our practice rehearsals and all the final recordings, over the online through the recordings and everything. There was no personal gatherings we did. And, we just put it as an effort as a team in a short notice along with their school programs to bring this skit to a play on this day of the final performance. I hope you all enjoyed the skit, and we are hoping we will bring more like this in the near future. Now, I would like to introduce Srimati Rama Bhagavatula Garu to come and talk about an overview of our Bay Area Dhruvapadam, and Dhanyavadaha.
Namaskaram, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, Jagadguru and Sarva Guruvalaku Padavi Vandanamulu, Sri Matre Namaha. Dhruvapadam Bay Area Group was founded in 2018 with a noble vision of introducing Sanatana Dharma values in children at a very young age. We approached Sri Hari Venkata Shastri Guru Garu at the Veda Temple in Milpitas, California, and requested to teach shlokas to children. He dedicatedly taught shlokas and moral values through stories of conducting weekend classes at the temple. Once the pandemic hit in 2020, the classes were moved to online format. Our online registration reached 145 members from various locations in East, Midwest, West parts of USA and India, spanning children from age groups of 4 to 12 years. Our recommendation for the Shloka group is 4+ years of age, as study shows that the spiritual values inculcated at such an young age have major influence on the moral, ethical values and steer the children in the right direction as they grow as responsible adults. Many volunteers and teachers joined this group and have been continuing on the online classes. DPPA group has 4 key areas of teaching: Shloka learning, Patatu Sanskritam, spoken Sanskrit classes, Sankshepa Ramayanam, drama by children. The dramas and plays are derived from an existing pravachanam, are based on research about Sanatana Dharma and epic stories. DPPA has performed very valuable and large plays like Nalopakyanam, Sri Adi Shankara life events, and Tripura Rahashyam. Major annual events we celebrate are Deepavali and DPBA annual day observed on Sri Adi Shankara Jayanti, just like today. This group grew from 3 children to 50 children, taking online classes from USA and India with the dedication and commitment from the Dhruvapadam team. The vision for this group is to continue to teach all teaching platforms and increase the reach to many more kids, both here and abroad. The new element we would like to be introducing the storytelling from Bhagavatam and Panchatantram, which are based on core values of Sanatana Dharma and influence the children's character and personality development at an early age. We are thankful in today's guest speaker, Dr. Purna Prasad Garu, who is renowned in both material and spiritual arena and exemplifies the strength of spiritual education. We thank everyone who has taken part in making this event successful. We also thank the families of volunteers for their support. Dhanyavadaha, Swasti.
Namaskaram, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Myself Yamni and I'm from Kansas. I hope you all enjoy this event. I deem it a great proud privilege in propose vote of thanks on behalf of Dhruvapadam and the entire fraternity of the event. I take this opportunity to express our profuse gratitude and sincere thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Purna Prasad Rao Garu, for sparing his time and gracing this occasion and delivering intellectual and spiritual life events of Sri Adi Shankaracharya. The valuable thoughts he has expressed about Sanskrit slokas are undoubtedly indeed important tools for cultivation of Hindu Dharma. We won't be here without our Dhruvapadam. So I would like to show our gratitude to the founder and CEO of Dhruvapadam, Sri Dr. Purushottam Rao Bhagavatula and Srimati Rama Bhagavatula. Words fell short in thanking Rama Garu. Her perfect logistic planning, support, and her able guidance is a fruit of success of this event. We are very fortunate to have humble pronounced Brahma Sri Chintapalli Venkateshwara Swarma Garu for their Ashirvachanam. Your Excellency in teaching Hindu Sanatana Dharma laid a spiritual path in our lives. We bow to you, sir. Acharya Devo Bhava. In our Hindu Dharma, we have always recognized a guru has a very important part of one's life to extend. I show my deep sense of gratitude to our respecting gurus, Sri Pavan Vittaladevaram Garu and Srimati Archana Garu, for your exceptional support and patience that tremendously inspired and enhanced our kids. I have been impressed and touched with the ability of students. The virtual presentation on life events of Sri Adi Shankaracharya by Patatu Samskritam group children was so good. The unity among the kids is incomparable. I think they all deserve our shower of blessings. Mangala Sasanas to all kids from behalf of Dhruvapadam team. A special thanks to directors, scriptwriters, costume designers, and a very special thanks to Sridevi Garu for editing. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our wonderful senior co-team members, Arundhati Garu, Selvi Garu, and Sasi Garu, for their empathy, communications, and organizing this event. The event is a kind of undeliverable without them. We also like to acknowledge my deep sense of appreciation to Samskritam and Sloka support team, Srimati Sindhura Garu, Lalita Garu, Archana Garu, Dr. Uma Garu for their dedication towards kids and practicing and analyzing them. I must mention our administrators, Srimati Soumya Garu, Pooja Gupta Garu, Dr. Uma Garu for the management and contribution towards technical support. I express my special thanks to Sivaraman Garu and Jyoti Garu and all other volunteers, contributors, and parents for their immense support and effort who extremely engaged and coordinated to turn this event together. Everyone contributed their fair part in making this event together better. Thank you everyone for being the part of this event. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Swasti, Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు యామిని గారు. ఓం సర్వే భవంతు సుఖినః, సర్వే సంతు నిరామయాః, సర్వే భద్రాణి పశ్యంతు, మా కశ్చిత్ దుఃఖభాగ్ భవేత్. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం. Thank you everyone.